So this parabola here is in the form of ax squared plus k, right? We have that a is 1 and k is minus 9. Because this is positive, it's going to be an upward spacing parabola, right? A is positive, right? There's no stretch because it's 1, right? K is minus 9, so there's going to be a shift down, right? It's going to be a downward shift by 9 units. Right? And the vertex itself is 0k, so 0 minus 9. Okay, so really what it's going to be somewhere here, right? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have this, okay? The axis of symmetry is going to be the y-axis, right? And if we look at any x-intercepts, right, we just have to solve for when is, right, y equal to 0. So 0 is equal to x squared minus 9, right? Move the 9 to the other side, and notice that x has to be then plus or minus 3. So what that means is, right, here's my first intercept, my x-intercept, and here's my second x-intercept. So it's going to be a graph that kind of looks like this.